You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast, brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
So let's first talk about AquaEase Infinity. Tell us about it, what it all does, what benefits the end user gets out of using it.
The historic problem has always been that although you can extend the life of the cleaner, you also, on the older technologies, tend to pull out the surfactants in the cleaner as well. So you end up having an extra on cost, and the advantage is no longer as good as you originally perceived it to be. The AquaEase Infinity is what you call an ultrafiltration unit, which filters the cleaner, and it mainly removes the oil and other spent products or materials inside the cleaner without actually removing the surfactant package. And it's a great technology. It's a proven technology, and it typically saves a cost of between 30 and 35% running cost in 1 year.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.